going to show you 3 different Christmas tree decoration ideas which you can make very easily at home. You can use this also as last minute Christmas decoration ideas or alternative for your Christmas tree. They're very easy, very fast. You can make them within a few minutes. 5 minutes is enough. You can make them within 5 minutes very easily at home. Let's see how we can do it. For the first Christmas tree, we are going to use tinsel garland. And this is a multicolor garland with many colors inside. And we are going to use this one. For the second method, we are going to use fairy lights. And the third way is crepe paper flowers. First we are going to take crepe paper and we are going to take a circular object and we are going to make circles in this. And we will be making 6 circles like this and cut it out. We'll take 6 pieces of the circles and with a stapler we'll staple this in the middle, and each time we'll bring one for above and give it a squeeze for above. We'll mash it up like this. After mashing it up, we'll open it up again. And we have small crepe paper flowers like this. And the same way we'll make crepe paper flowers in many different colors. Let me know in the comment section below which Christmas tree decoration idea you like the most. If you don't want to miss any of my future decorations, then make sure that you click on the red subscribe button below and subscribe. And also do check all the other decoration ideas. I have many other decoration ideas for all kinds of occasions. Check them out and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special.